A home is more than just shelter. It represents a family's hope, stability, dignity, and pride. To ensure that every Goan gets a legally secured shelter and a long-cherished dream of owning a home, my government has introduced a Mhaje Ghar scheme which will enhance the happiness of the Goan populace by fulfilling their long-cherished dream of owning a home. The scheme was launched at the hands of Sri Amit Shahji, Honorable Union Home Minister of Cooperation in October 2025 to address the difficulties faced by families residing in houses constructed prior to 1972 without formal license. My government has issued a circular to treat structures reflected in Form 1 and Form 14 to be standing on settled land and shall not require any conversion sanad. This measure has brought closure to decades of uncertainty and enabled lawful repairs and constructions. My government has amended Section 38A of Goa Land Revenue Code to provide one-time measure for the regularization of encroached land on which dwelling houses were constructed prior to 28th February 2014. This measure is a humanitarian intervention to address the plight of landless persons in long-standing occupation of such land.